But first, breaking news in the case against Luigi Mangione, a dramatic turn of events concerning the state trial coming out of court late this afternoon. Good evening. I'm Natasha Verma.
And I'm Teresa Priolo in for Steve. Just days after Mangione admitted in federal court to shooting United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, a New York state judge has officially postponed his trial, his murder trial.
Fox 5's Antoine Lewis is in the newsroom with the very latest. Antoine.
Teresa, Natasha, basically the judge gave the state a timeline today to respond to the motion to dismiss charges that were filed last week. Here's what's going on. After changing his plea to guilty on the federal stalking charges last Friday, Mangione's attorneys quickly filed a motion to have his New York state case for the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson dismissed. The attorney cited New York's double jeopardy law, which prevents a person from being tried twice for the same crime. Jury selection in the state trial was set to begin on September 8th, but that has been put on hold indefinitely. This while the judge weighs the double jeopardy arguments. Right now, many legal experts say the prosecution's case is in limbo.
I think the prosecution is going to have a real problem. And I mean, I know that they're going to say that they feel cheated because this always should have been a state case and they don't feel like it ever should have even gone to the federal arena. But that's sort of neither here nor there right now. You know, I think a lot of people would say in the legal field that Luigi was sort of unfairly prosecuted to have these dual prosecutions going on at the same time. But to the defense's credit, they've really kind of been able to use it to their advantage.
We reached out to the district attorney's office for a statement who referred us to this. Their comments after Friday's federal hearing, which read, since December 2024, the Manhattan DA's office has been tirelessly preparing to pursue a trial conviction in New York State Supreme Court for the alleged cold-blooded murder of Brian Thompson. We are encouraged that Mr. Thompson's family received a measure of accountability today. While federal sentencing is pending, we are prepared to litigate the defense motions. The Manhattan DA's office remains committed to seeking justice for Mr. Thompson and his family. The judge has given the Manhattan DA's office until October 9th to respond to the defense's motion to dismiss. A hearing on the matter has been scheduled for December 10th, and that's a little more than a week before Mangione is set to be sentenced in the federal case. This is the very latest from the newsroom. We'll stay on top of it. Teresa and Natasha, we'll see you again at 6 o'clock.
All right, Antoine, thank you.